Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I've uploaded on YouTube. It's been approximately, I would say 13 months since I've uploaded. So sorry about that. I mean, it was a conscious absence. I didn't forget. If you subscribe to me on YouTube and you're seeing this, thank you for coming back. Delighted to have you. Basically, maybe some of you guys who are subscribed to me on YouTube don't follow me over on Instagram, but about the time that I stopped uploading on YouTube, that was the same time that I was putting out these videos over on my Instagram. So these little like 1 minute videos, styling videos, outfit inspo videos, and they were getting a lot of traction. Some of the videos were going viral. They were getting shared a lot.
I can't search for videos on Apple Watch.
Sorry about that. How do I mute her? Oh my god. It just recorded literally everything I said. Okay, anyway. But I really missed long form videos because that's what YouTube is. So on Instagram I was doing like 1 minute videos here and there, really snappy, chatty IGTVs that were like under 5 minutes or whatever. But I'm back because this year it is a big aim for me to just start creating on this platform again because I miss it and I absolutely love creating videos that are a little bit longer that you can have fun with. And if you are possibly a new subscriber that has come over from Try Channel, I know many of you guys have come over from that platform onto my YouTube, then do not worry, there will be some content there for you guys too. Obviously this is predominantly a fashion, beauty and lifestyle channel. I know that's not what Try Channel is. It's more like alcohol, food, trying related things, but don't worry, I have some stuff planned for that as well. So yeah, I just wanted to chat to you guys a little bit about that and then talk about what this video is going to be. So basically, I'm kicking off 2020, which I'm so excited about. I'm kicking off 2020 with something really exciting, which is an apartment move. So I'm currently in my current apartment. I've been here for the past 2 years. It's great. I love it. It's very, it's really good value. It's a 1 bed, but it's just too small. So for the past maybe 6 months to a year, I've kind of been struggling with the space. I'm very clever about how I zoned the place. Like, it's kept clean. I mean, I have spaces for everything. I film all my fashion videos here and I really do the absolute most with the space that I have. So I have really been making the most of this place, but it is time for a move. So I've actually been to some viewings. I was talking with Joseph about this at the end of last year and we decided that we were going to do it, and then some viewings opened up in the new year, went to a few viewings, found some really, really nice places and settled on one place that was like literally my dream. So thankfully we got offered that place and we are getting the keys on Thursday. So today is Tuesday. So needless to say, I'm very excited. This is a big change for me. It is a little bit more expensive. It's also bigger. It's a 2 bed. I can have an at-home office again, which is really key when it comes to creating content at home. I shoot a lot of videos here, whether it's fashion videos, IGTV, and hopefully soon more YouTube videos. It is paramount that I have a space to create from because it's just chaos when you're doing it in your own bedroom, and I've done it for so long and it's just nicer to be able to close the door on an office rather than having to assemble and disassemble all of my lights and fittings and everything like that when I film, which is what I've been doing for the past while. So that's the crack. I just wanted to pop on and say hello. I thought that I might be a little bit rusty getting back into this, but here I am chatting away. Obviously, I did not lose my chatty, rambly skills from being off YouTube. But anyway, I'm delighted that I'm back to it. I'm going to, so basically what is on the agenda right now is I need to pack up this apartment. Josef's working, he works 9 to 5. He doesn't get home until the evening times. My schedule is more flexible, obviously, because I work for myself. And obviously, given that we are only the 2nd week in January, like, my schedule isn't crazy. I have bits and bobs of jobs on, I have emails, different bits that I'm doing, but I feel like I'm in a bit of an interim stage because I'm waiting to move. So the best thing I can do at my time now is start to get everything ready for the move, because the sooner we're moved, the sooner I can start churning out all my videos from there, because I feel like I am a little bit over doing videos in this apartment. I've done it for so long, so I'm kind of just want to get moved. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys through the moving process. So that's everything that I have prepped so far. I'm going to get to it. I need to start packing and stop procrastinating because I have a lot of work to do. Okay. Well, hello. I look like an egg. My hair is scraped back into a bun. I'm coming to you from our new apartment. I'm so excited. Basically, it is 4:30, or no, it's actually like 5 o'clock now, on Thursday, and I just met the lettings agent who I was dealing with to get the keys and do the official handover. So Joseph has finished work now actually, so he's going to head out. He hasn't even seen the apartment yet, which is so exciting. Oh, I can see my reflection in my glasses. He hasn't even seen it yet, but we're here, we got the keys. Oh, I just can't believe it. The lighting's a bit weird because there's like nothing in here. Oh, the lighting's the best here. Okay, this is fine. So I've just gotten the keys and I got like just some final kind of information about like our electricity and how all that works and just all the moving in information. This apartment is brand new, which is so exciting. We're the first tenants here. It's a new build, a new development and all that kind of stuff. So everything's really modern and really like, I don't know, just a lot of stuff that I did not have in my old apartment, including a dryer, a bath, a washing or a dishwasher. It even has one of those video intercoms, so when somebody comes to visit I can see a picture of them, which is so crazy. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring you guys around and give you an empty apartment tour just to show you how it is when we moved in, because obviously we're going to be bringing in our stuff and changing it up a little bit and putting our own spin on it, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. This is what the sitting room area looks like. So it's big and spacious. It has some beautiful art here on the walls. I actually love that. A really cool light fixture, which actually is casting some pretty interesting looking, oh, it's really out of focus. It's actually casting some kind of weird shadows on the wall. So I do think we're gonna have to change that. But yeah, it's beautiful. Here's a better look at it. This really interesting chair, which haven't sat on yet. I'm sure it's comfy. And then if you look back here, you'll see there's the dining table, there's my bag, and there's the welcome pack. And then you have the kitchen area that I was just speaking to you from. So it's all fresh, this gorgeous island. I really want to get some stools for here. Kettle and toaster. And then, do you know what? I haven't even looked in the fridge yet. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's huge. Oh my God, it's amazing. I love that everything is so new. It's so exciting. And then this is the freezer. Oh, we had, the freezer in our last apartment was broken, so we just didn't have a freezer for a really long time. I presume this is the dishwasher. Amazing. Guys, I'm way too excited about a dishwasher. This is kind of embarrassing. What's this? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I need to stop. Love that the microwave's in there as well. That's kind of cool. I don't know why I'm opening empty cupboards. Okay, let's go in here. This is the doorway that you come in. So I'm gonna turn around and show you entrance hallway. Here is the utility room. You've got a washer dryer, some other box that I don't understand, another box I don't understand, a Hoover, all our Pinergy information. There's no important details there, are there? No, there's not. Then in here, this is like this really cool additional storage room. So this can basically be anything you want. And I know it looks small on camera, but it's actually really big. Like, I don't know if that's giving any indication, but it could be used for a lot of different things, probably storage. So when you come through here around the corner, then you're going into the bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. Oh, the light's already on. This is the first bedroom. So they're all double bedrooms, and again, it's probably looking a little bit smaller on camera than it actually is. It's got a really, really nice amount of space. Haven't looked in these yet, but these will no doubt be Josef's wardrobes. Loads of space in there, which is great. And then little bedside tables, a little mirror so you guys can see me. Hello. Okay, I'm looking very casual. Also, there's a balcony, and each room, including the sitting room and the two bedrooms, kind of looks out onto the balcony, which is really cool. I will probably show you that later. It's a bit too dark now. The mattresses are new, which I love, and I love that headboard. As far as I can remember, there's a blue headboard in the other room. So in here is the master bedroom that has an ensuite. So this bedroom is a little bit bigger, and it also has the bathroom. So I love this. This is like my dream color for a sofa. I love it. It's so fab. But basically this room, I'm pretty sure Josef has already kind of said it, that this room will be the office because it's just that little bit bigger. So I'm pushed in the corner here. This bed can be stored in the other room. I'm pretty sure it can be, that thing there can be dismantled. So I can use this as an office. So I'm so excited about the prospect of this because there is so much that I could do with this room, which is amazing. It also looks out onto the balcony, so it has really good light, which is another great thing to have as a home office. Also, the wardrobes are bigger again, which is another reason why all my stuff should be in here. Oh, this is the dream. You guys, in my old apartment, I had a very small wardrobe and it was constantly bursting. So this is making me so happy. This is the other wardrobe. Oh, so much space. And then, oh, this makes me so happy. This is the ensuite bathroom. So I just love the marble. It's so pretty. I know it's probably not real marble, definitely not real marble, but look at this gigantic mirror space. So pretty. I love it. Like, oh, I know I'm really excited about this, but I can't help it. So that's the ensuite bathroom. And then you go out here and I will show you the main bathroom. So this will be Josef's bathroom. I'll have all my crap in the other one. So this is the main bathroom. Again, a little bit bigger. You've got a bath. Yes, I haven't had a bath in so long. My last apartment didn't have one. And a really nice little mirror situation. Okay, I'm back in the kitchen because my battery died, but that is it for the tour. I will check back in with you guys throughout the moving process. Like I said, we are trying to move this weekend and I have so much packing to do. I've probably only packed about 4 boxes, so I got more from the supermarket, and loads of bags. I've got loads of reusable bags, so we have everything we need. We just need to book the movers. I might actually call them again today because they said that they call me back to book them, but I'm going to do that. But for now I'm going to leave it here. I'm obviously very excited. As you can tell, I am feeling so incredibly grateful. Like, obviously we're paying for this apartment but I still feel incredibly grateful to be in a position to be able to rent a place like this. So it's just a really it's very important to me. So I feel really happy and grateful and delighted, and I hope that you guys like the place, and I hope you're interested in seeing more and seeing all the interiors and upcycling and DIYs and no doubt all that kind of stuff, because I did it before in my previous apartment, not the one we're in, the one we were in before that. I did a lot of DIYs and upcycling and you guys seem to love them on my channel, so prepare for more. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it here. I will talk to you later. Hello. Bye. So it's a few days later, and excuse my appearance, I look like an egg. I'm such a scruff. So we have moved into the apartment. So I should have tried to record more of the moving out of our old apartment process, but we did all of it in one day. We did it yesterday and it was manic. Like, we got so much done. We hired a moving company. They were called Get Cracking Movers. They were incredible, so efficient, so nice. There was 2 of them and they did a huge truck. Oh my god, they did everything. So we're currently in the new apartment. Now, the last time I spoke to you guys was when I showed you the apartment before we moved in, but now all our stuff is here and it's absolute chaos. So obviously we had to box everything up. Things had to come in boxes, clothes in black bags. So I didn't record when we had just moved in because there were boxes, like, it was just too much. So yesterday we did all the move and we unboxed a lot of stuff, and you know, essentially everything got moved in. So it was just too intense. I should have vlogged, but it was just really busy and I was so tired. I fell asleep last night at like 9 o'clock. But I'm going to give you guys a really quick, very full-on post-moving tour so I can give you guys a little bit of an indication as to how crazy everything looks. So don't judge me, we've just moved in, okay? I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay, so here's the kitchen. Again, we are literally unboxing. We went to Mr. Price, did another cleaning haul, loads of cleaning supplies, all cooking stuff that needs to be unboxed, or cooking stuff that needs to be put away, I should say. Then we have all our boxes that we are breaking down to go into recycling. We have the table and chairs, loads of stuff everywhere. We've got our ottoman, just like stuff everywhere. There's the couch, there's the TV on the couch, more moving bags. If we go over here, the only tranquil part of this whole thing is Remy is tucked away. I think this is a temporary bed spot. She's in her little bed with all her blankets and she's fairly happy. She loves being near the sunlight and she likes looking out and seeing all the birds and everything. There's a little balcony. So I'm just going to bring you again more stuff. So we have like a storage area here. Our utility closet is in here. We're already making a crack at that. That needs to be fully unpacked, but we're gonna have loads of space in there. More stuff here that needs to be unpacked. The bedroom here is a bit all over the shop. We made the bed obviously, but it's not done properly. Like, this is just temporary. Boxes over there, black bags of Josef's stuff. He needs to unpack his clothes. We have an extra mattress that we actually brought from our older apartment that now we do not need. So I think I might donate this because it's still in really good condition. Then we have the main bathroom in here. Then, okay. So here we have my office. So there used to be a bed in here, but the bed has now been packed away. So this right here, I'm just gonna step in. You can see the glamour of it all. I'm in PJs and a hoodie. So this space here, sorry, it is a absolute mess. Some boxes still need to be unboxed. There's a gigantic pile of clothes over there. I just kind of wiped down all the drawers, so I'm gonna start putting shoes and everything in terms, oh yeah, there's my Mac there. In terms of the setup of this office, I'm just gonna take my time figuring that out because I don't 100% know how I want it to be yet, but I think I'm gonna start by putting the desk over by the light. I think that's just the nicest way because obviously I'll be spending a lot of time there. Probably will put that over by the balcony, and then I have my big wardrobe here. I've kind of already started hanging things up, even though it's not really organized. I'm just getting them out of the bags and into the hangers. And then my beauty, so basically this is my ensuite, and lads, there's beauty stuff. Like, how did I accumulate that much beauty? I have no idea. That's not even my makeup, that's like products. And then up here, more products in my sink. So all of this needs to be tackled. Actually, all my makeup is in here. This all, like, Jeannie Mac, how did I get so much beauty? I don't even understand. All this needs to be done. There's a lot of work to do, but most of the work, like the bulk of the work, has already been done. So now it's just a case of putting everything in its place and then figuring out where we want things to go. I will be clearing out as I'm doing this because I know there are some stuff that I'm not going to need in this new apartment. So I'm going to try and be mindful of that and clear out some stuff and do some bags to charity and all that kind of stuff. But that's where we're currently at. I have a few ideas for what I want to do with the place, and I'll come on and talk about that. But I think that might need to be in a different vlog because it's just a lot in one, and I don't want to rush that kind of stuff either. So I'm gonna get back to cleaning, but I have so much work to do. I'm having a herbal tea, and then Yos has gone out to a bike shop to inquire about getting a bike, and then he might go and pick up some dinner on the way home. But that's the update for now. I have so much work to do. Bye.